What is a mini facelift? So a mini facelift goes by a number of different names. This can be a mini facelift, an upper facelift, it can be some sort of name with facelift that has been branded by someone. But basically what this is lifting this part of the face. And so it's your cheeks, your jawline, the marionette line or the line underneath your mouth, your nasolabial fold, here between your nose and your mouth. It's improving that whole area. This used to be called a short scar facelift, just meaning where your incision is just in front of your ear and barely around your earlobe. And so it doesn't continue on like a regular facelift incision goes. This is best for people who only have laxity in this area and you don't need to address anything in the neck. What age should you get a mini facelift? This really depends on you and your aging process. Some people will only have laxity in this area and their neck never really has laxity. And so that may be the best thing for you at any age. And then there are other people where you start to see it in the upper face and along the jawline, and then later you'll see it in the neck. And then there are other people that it's really more of a neck thing from the very beginning. So it really kind of depends. If you're going to make a generalization, you may do a mini facelift before you consider a full facelift. Just in the aging process, you may see some minor changes here along the jawline and in your folds, maybe in your late 40s, early 50s, somewhere in there, and then maybe in the 60s, see a little bit more of the aging changes. So it really does depend on you, but that's in general kind of when we see people. What is the difference between a mini facelift and a lower facelift? Probably usually who is saying it. These are very similar things. These terms are kind of thrown around and makes it very confusing for the patients. First of all, when you say facelift, most people think face, like your brows and your face, because that's what makes most sense. However, that is not what that means. When you say facelift or lower facelift, this means cheeks down. So the cheeks, jawline, and the neck. So facelift really means lower face and neck. And lower facelift a lot of times will mean lower face and neck, although there are some people who say lower facelift meaning just right here. Mini facelift in general usually means right here, not including the neck, not including the brows. So you have to ask a lot of questions, see exactly where they're saying their incisions are and what they're calling it, because a lot of these lifts will have different kind of branded names that go with it as well, just making it that much more confusing. Have questions? Call or email anytime. I help people like you every day and I'd love to talk. Thanks for watching.